This technical short video is brought to you by Dave Kameen, VP of Marketing for JPS Interoperability Solutions. The Rapid Deployable Communications Package, RDCP, developed by JPS Interoperability Solutions Incorporated, is a tactical, transportable kit capable of providing local interoperability as well as wide area interoperability over either cellular, terrestrial, satellite, or BGAN Ethernet service. As mentioned previously, the primary purpose of the RDCP is to provide local or wide area interoperability in a small tactical kit. A wide area interoperability system, WACE, interconnects communication systems over existing network infrastructure. This allows users of disparate radios, telephones, satellite phones, and dispatch centers to communicate with each other locally, regionally, or in systems that span entire states. The ACU-M is capable of providing local interoperability by connecting the provided interface cables to donor radios and bridging across talkgroups. The ACU-M can also provide interoperability between the portable radios using either 3G, 4G, LTE, and going over the network to WACE controllers or other JPS interoperability products, or to JPS via our push-to-talk over cellular app. Primary components of the RDCP are an ACU-M interoperability gateway, a Pepwave Max BR1 cellular router, or equivalent routers such as Cradlepoint's COR IBR 900 series, portable radio chargers, and radio interface cables. Inside the lid of the Pelican case, there are 4 separate pouches. The largest contains the ACU radio interface cables for connection of donor radios to the ACU-M. The pouch directly next to the cable pouch contains a universal laptop travel charger that can plug into the socket on the switch panel and has multiple adapters for various laptop models contained within the small case. The lower left pouch contains the ACU handset and associated cord, while the lower right pouch contains the power cord for connection of the kit to a wall outlet. When the unit is stowed, one can disconnect the antenna from the Pepwave router and place them into any of the aforementioned pouches. In order to provide wide area interoperability, the ACU-M is connected to the LAN side of the Pepwave router. The router is provided with network access, either through Ethernet connection to the WAN port on top of the unit or by docking a cellular SIM. If a SIM with a public static IP address is used, the RDCP can function as part of a JPS WACE solution. Laptop users can connect to the router through either Wi-Fi or by plugging directly into the LAN port on the top of the unit. If a SIM with a public static IP address is used, the RDCP can function as part of a JPS WACE solution. Laptop users can connect to the router through either Wi-Fi or by plugging directly into the LAN port on the top of the unit. With this power system, the RDCP can run on either wall power or battery power. When the system is plugged in, all devices will run directly from the wall power and the batteries will charge. If the system were to lose power or be unplugged, it transfers to battery power with no downtime. To obtain the longest runtime for each battery and maintain critical operations for as long as possible, the battery outputs were split as shown above. A switch was included to allow the batteries to charge more quickly than if an active current draw were occurring. RDCP, Rapid Deployable Communications Package.